Hello guys, I'm Shadev and today I'm going to tell you 10 interesting facts about India that you probably didn't know. Did you know that India used to be island 100 million years ago? 5000 years old, Varanasi is one of the oldest inhabited places in the world and a meteor formed the breathtaking Lona Lake in Maharashtra. In this video, I'll tell you such interesting facts that you will say only one word: amazing. Fact number 10. Did you know that India used to be an island more than 100 million years ago? About 50 million years ago, it collided with the Asian continent and thus was born the Himalayas. Fascinating, isn't it? With over 1 billion people from all kinds of religions and ethnicities, India is not only the second most populated country, but it also has in store some mind blowing facts and achievements under its belt. Meteor formed the breathtaking Lonar Lake in Maharashtra, a 4-hour drive from Aurangabad and doubling as Maharashtra's best kept secret. This lake was created by a plummeting meteor about 52,000 years ago. Travel enthusiasts must not miss this astronomical marvel and the temples around it. Fact number 8. Mysterious anti-gravity hills in Ladakh. Magnetic Hill. With the anti-gravitational effect, this is the only magnetic hill in India landmarked by a yellow notice board that spells out instructions and asks you to place your car on neutral gear right on the spot marked by white paint. This one will leave you in awe as your car will begin to move uphill on its own. Can you believe this, guys? Fact number 7. India is the second largest English speaking nation. Second only to the US, India has around 10% of its populace fluent in English. The statistic is expected to be quadruple in the next decade. Fact number 6. Land of many firsts, India invented snakes and ladders, shampooing, algebra, and more. A plethora of objects and concepts organized in India, starting from the game of snake and ladders to chess, aka Chaturanga buttons, shampooing, the number pi, diamond mining, zero, algebra, trigonometry, along with the finding of the presence of water in the moon. Now, isn't this an interesting fact about India? Fact number 5. The largest number of vegetarians in the world. Are you a vegetarian? You will fit right in there. With the majority of population following Hinduism, around 29 to 40% of people are vegetarians in India. Fact number 4. Maussanram is the wettest place on earth with 11,875 millimeters of rain annually. Can you believe that? Holding a Guinness World Record for highest average annual rainfall, this town in Meghalaya gets about 11,873 millimeters of rain owing to its proximity to the Bay of Bengal. The winter months of this region are spent in preparation for 6-month long monsoon ahead. Fact number 3. The tiny village of Madhopati is called the Officers' Village of India. A small village in the Jaunpur district of Uttar Pradesh, Madhopati has created history by producing the most number of IAS officers. With about 75 households, it has given 47 officers to Indian administration. Not just that, many from the same village have made their careers by joining prestigious organizations like ISRO, Bhabha Atomic Research Center and World Bank. Ask the villagers about their study schedules maybe. Fact number 2. A voting poll booth set up for just one voter in Gujarat. India's most privileged voter, Mahant Bharat Das, resides in a small hamlet called Banej in the middle of Gir Forest, Gujarat. The setting up of a particular polling booth for just one voter goes in a long way in speaking decibels about the democratic spirit of the country. Wow! Before fact number 1, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and turn on the bell icon to never miss any updates. Fact number 1. Shani Shingnapur is the village where the houses don't have doors, attracting over 40,000 devotees in each day due to a 300-old-year legend. This village in Maharashtra features establishments without any doors and locks. Its residents sleep soundly as they believe Lord Shani to be the guardian of the town. I wonder how they keep the rain away. Isn't it amazing?